Welcome to Tradecraft Trading again. Quick video today. Just wanted to go over one trade that I had. Basically the only trade that made my day, and that was CSFL, Center State Bank Corp. Now, this is another VWAP trade. As you can see throughout the day, it shot up at the beginning of the day, and then it started to fall back down to VWAP. You can see it opened right above VWAP, right? And on a I think it opened right at VWAP, right there. Shot up, and then came back down and just rested right here on VWAP. Sort of gave a 2-bar bounce a little bit, and then came back down. That was a signal for me when I first saw it, was that it was trying to pull back above VWAP, and then it kind of broke back down, hit VWAP again, then it broke below it. Now, you could have gotten in right here at around 25.17, and just, taking your chances, hoping that it would stay. But really, I'd like to see when it rejects VWAP twice, or at least twice, depending on which way it's going to go. So it goes from here, it goes down a little bit, and then you see it start to climb back up to VWAP. But look what happens. It hit VWAP, and then rejected it, right? And that's when I got in. This little indicator here shows where I got in. And I put my stop right above it, so I got in right below, and also it was a whole number, 25, significant number. So I got in at 24.99, and put my stop just above it, like 25.17, just about that. So 24.99. I was hoping to get down to, see, this is the 200 moving average on a 5-minute chart. I was hoping it would get down to just about right down there, and that's where I put my target. So you can see, quickly dropped, right? Pulled back. There's a little bit of a market push right here. The market jumped a little bit right here, so it went with it, and then it kept going down, kept going down, and then it hit my target. So I got in out at about 24.70ish, 24.99. So almost a 30-cent drop, which is all I was looking for. And because I knew that if it hit this spot, it might bounce off the 200 moving average. But something to keep an eye on. If it doesn't, and it breaks below it, that could continue. So yeah, that was it. Again, VWAP, very important. You watch this throughout the day, see how it moves with it. Look for these little moves, right? Up and then down. It doesn't like it. Doesn't want to break above it, and then it starts to come up again, starts coming down. That's when I got in again. So it rejected it like basically twice after having broken through it. And that's the trade. There was one other stock I was looking at today. I didn't get in, and I wish I had. Nah, this one is just too whippy. I put an indicator of where I thought maybe it might make a difference, but that doesn't look like it's going to do anything today. Oh yeah, XL Energy. So you see it was riding the 8 EMA pretty well, and you see it's carrying the 15-minute 10 EMA. Not bad. So I put a marker right here at this point, about around 11.50, and I said, if it continues up from here, I might consider getting in, but I was too busy with CSFL. I missed it. Could have gotten in around 51.41, and went all the way up to about 51.70. So another 30-cent gain. Nothing big. Looks like it's topping off now. That was another one I was considering getting into. And there's a couple others I was looking at. A little jump here. I noticed this. Actually, the volume actually helped me right here if I had gotten in. But nothing else. Yeah, basically. CSFL, that was big. Nice tight candles, rejecting VWAP. These are the ones that you can put a pretty tight stop on, and they're lower risk really, because you got a nice movement below VWAP, and it should continue. Now you see it might be coming back the other way, but that's it. Yep. So again, this is another VWAP trade. Probably show a lot more of these down the road. I'm big on VWAP. It's a major moving average if you're doing day trading. So any questions, leave them in the comment section, and I'll see you next time.